Hi there guys, this is Marian from Nokiamob and I have something special here. Good guys from the French company Noreve, I hope it's pronounced Noreve, from Saint-Tropez, have sent us for a review this beautiful case for 7 Plus, Nokia 7 Plus, so let's unbox it and check it. So they said it's handmade. It has a protective flip cover, so let's see it. It's packed rather nicely and interestingly. It opens like this. The box is really nice. It's probably a bell tower from Saint-Tropez. Ooh, this looks rather premium. It's quite nice fabric they are using for the case Oh, this is it.
As you can see, I think it's indigo
type of the case. So it says here designed in France by Noreve. Hope you can see it. The texture inside is rather nice. The polycarbonate is thick. It's handmade out of leather, so you have pocket for the money there, for the credit cards. Okay, and there is a nice cutout for the in the shape of number 1 for the bud on the other side. Yeah. Camera and LED. It looks really beautiful, this case. There is also a cutout for the earpiece there, so you can speak with the case closed. The texture is really nice and it's really nicely done. It does look a little bit thicker, but it is good. I will be testing this product for, I don't know, a week or 2, and then I will give you the full review of it. I'll post some pictures there so you can see it. Thank you Noreve for this nicely done product. See you around.